You might have noticed how the Spotlight search on Mac doesn't always show everything on your computer. Here's an application, for example, that's buried in my library folder. But when I search this with the exact name, Spotlight finds nothing. That's because it's programmed to not show any system files by default. To change this, you can follow my steps on the screen to add an option to include system files in your search. There are actually a ton of ways to filter your Spotlight search results, and the System Files option is something I use pretty frequently. As soon as I turn that on, the application that Spotlight couldn't find earlier immediately pops up in the search results. Another place to check is your system settings. By default, everything should be checked and included in your search results. But if you're missing something, make sure these are all selected. There's also a privacy setting where you can pick specific folders to be excluded from search results. If you're missing something, make sure it's not hidden from Spotlight. And vice versa. If you have sensitive files and folders you do not want to show up in Spotlight search results, you can list those here. So that's how you tell Spotlight to show you everything. As always, drop a comment below if you found this helpful. And if you're into quick tutorials that make your life easier, click that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and happy Spotlight searching!